How are you guys doing this morning? So today we're doing an octagon shape here. So we want to try and use as much bricklayer as possible. This is what we're going to use as the support. So let's use as much as possible, guys. Thank you, man. That was fast. How much for it? See guys, this is basically how you want to cut it. Afterwards we're going to cut for the next one the same way, so that our 45 could join nicely. So guys, we just want to cut both sides. This is we're going with a tester and with a full one. This brick have a crack. You want to always look for crack bricks, and you know, throw them away. Don't use them especially when you're low down. In plastic, guys, and yeah, you might know by now. Guys, you want to always remember to leave a hole just in case there's any water get inside here, escape through here. This is the reason why we put our weeping plastic earlier. So you want to put the hole right where the weeping plastic is.
on the scaffold.
Yeah. Who's he?
He's working with the company I was with.
Yeah.
Yeah, he couldn't.
Oh, I want more done on the one little. She's good. Lots of brick video coming up, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Promise you won't regret it. Wanna go up same time, right? Josh? Guys, we finally reached right up to the window now. Now we're gonna work across our window. Today we're not gonna put any soldier because this house doesn't call for a soldier. So we're gonna go right over, straight across. Does not call for a soldier. Doesn't call for job after done a type of way. Better up. Yeah man, we're gonna wrap it up here. I hope you learned something from this video. We're laying brick, trying to finish up the back. Still have more brick video coming up. Yeah, man. So just be safe. Be safe out there, guys. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well. Yeah, man. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.